Hello everyone, my name is Allana and today I'm going to show you a tour of our luxury presidential suite at the Royalton Hideaway in Cancun, Mexico with an ocean view. So here we go. We are staying in 1201. When you come into the hotel, you're equipped with a wristband. Ours says Diamond Club on it at Hideaway. This will open the door. There you go. Now, when you enter this beautiful suite, immediately to the left, there is a guest bathroom. And you're gonna see my reflection in the mirror wearing the beautiful robe that comes in here. There's a toilet as well as a phone for assistance, as well as a very large stand-up shower. Definitely a stand-up shower for two. It also comes equipped with Royalton's own shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. You'll also see that you have a handheld shower head. Okay? The guest bathroom also comes equipped with towels, as well as hand wash, as well as body lotion. Sliding doors, you'll see that you have an iron, as well as an ironing board. There's also an extra blanket, as well as some hangers. Now let's get to the good part. So this is your living and dining area, as well as your bar. Your bar comes fully equipped, and everything is included in your Diamond Club Hideaway. You can confirm that. But when we came in, they also included bottles of wine, sparkling champagne, that's all included, as well as a microwave and some snacks. Over here, you'll see that there is a fully stocked fridge with water, chocolate milk, and all that good stuff. And again, they'll come daily to restock that. This is Mexico's version of Lay's potato chips, as well as a red wine. And also, the bar is equipped with some vodkas and rums and tequilas. Okay, so before we go into the bedroom, which is located in this door, I'm gonna show you the balcony. It's very spacious in here. That's a pull-out couch. So again, if you have any guests or you meet any friends on the resort and they wanna come back, then you're more than welcome to have them. This place is amazing. It's our first time here and we're actually really, really enjoying it. When you open the balcony, there is a jacuzzi tub. Absolutely gorgeous. Also worth mentioning, if you have the air conditioner on in your unit, as soon as you open the balcony door, it does shut off. Look at your beautiful view. When John and I came, we were absolutely blown away. This is gorgeous. And again, because we're in the Diamond Club Hideaway at the Royalton, it's adults only. It's not very loud at all. It's actually super relaxing. And the best part of all is if you see over there, this resort is huge and it goes on and on. And what's really nice is that we have access to everything. So if we do want a little bit of live music and a little bit more of a vibe, then we can definitely walk over down there. This is where we have breakfast. It is a wraparound balcony, and when it wraps around, you'll also see the little pool area. That's a restaurant right there. How gorgeous. These doors on the balcony, there's one, that's the one that I exited out of. That's from the living and dining area. And then this one goes into the bedroom. So this is your bedroom at the Hideaway. Comes with a cute little couch, king size bed. Gorgeous. Another sliding door. Beautifully decorated. The decor in here is very, very nice. How exceptional, right? I mean, you can choose to wake up and watch the sunrise, you know, have a beautiful romantic breakfast. Gorgeous. There's TVs in both rooms, the bedroom as well as in the living dining room area. There's a desk if you need anything done. You can add your computer, so on and so forth. There's also another fridge here that's fully equipped. as is the other one, with drinks, water, chips. I'll take you into the bathroom. This is the master bathroom. Beautiful double sink. Comes fully equipped with some water, as well as a vanity chair, a scale, a professional blow dryer, and towels. Gorgeous jacuzzi, love it. There's a closet through this door that I won't take you into. And there's also a private area for a bathroom. And best of all, there's another very large shower stand up. This time there's 2 shower heads. When this turns on, it's fantastic. I'm actually gonna turn it on for you guys so you guys can see the full effect. Bedroom door will take you right back to where we started. I hope you guys enjoyed this tour. Please leave a comment below if you decide to come. And please, please, please give this video a thumbs up and share with any of your friends or loved ones that plan on visiting. It's absolutely a beautiful place. Hope to see you soon.